In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Zoho People versus BambooHR, so you can quickly see which platform is best fit for your business. Whether you're running a small team and you're just getting serious about HR, or a growing company and you want a platform that can handle payroll, onboarding, and compliance properly, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know which platform fits your business needs best, so you don't have to overspend. Now, let's dive in. What is Zoho People? Zoho People is a cloud-based HR management system that focuses on core HR processes. For example, employee database and records, time off and attendance, onboarding and document management, performance management, and even learning management on higher plans, and strong workflow automation and deep integration with Zoho ecosystem. For example, Zoho CRM, Zoho Payroll, and Zoho Expense. On the other hand, what is BambooHR? BambooHR is an all-in-one HR platform geared towards small and mid-sized businesses, with features like employee records and self-service, hiring, onboarding, and e-signatures, payroll and benefits in supported regions, and time tracking and performance management. It also offers nice reporting, analytics, and a very user-friendly interface. Now let's quickly talk about the pricing. When it comes onto Zoho People, their pricing is very transparent and easy to understand, as you can see right here. If we were to go to their monthly plan, with Zoho monthly plan, while you can get started for completely free, and with their free plan you'll be able to add up to 5 users and you'll get access to employee database, basic leave, docs, and basic reports. On their paid plan you can see that it starts off at $1 and it can go up to $5 per user. And if we were to go over to BambooHR, with their payment plan you'll need to request it, but based on research it typically starts off at about $10 per employee per month, with many customers landing in the $12 to $22 price range, as it depends on the amount of features that you want. So if you're on a tight budget and you have a smaller team and you want clear pricing from day one, I would recommend that you go with Zoho People. If it is a case that you're okay with higher costs for a polished all-in-one HR payroll experience, then you can definitely give BambooHR a try. And now let's talk about the features and focus. And we'll kick things off by talking about Zoho People. Zoho People is great if you want to centralize HR. As with Zoho People, it offers features like employee database, organization charts and docs, time off and attendance tracking, and also it includes shifts, overtime, even facial recognition attendance on higher plans. Also, it offers performance appraisals, goals, and feedback, and HR cases, for example, HR help desks, approvals, and custom workflows. And again, it integrates with Zoho Recruit and also Zoho Payroll and Zoho Expense, and many third-party tools. So you can think of Zoho People as a central HR brain if you're building on top of Zoho apps. While let's talk about BambooHR. BambooHR, on the other hand, offers employee experience plus payroll plus benefits. BambooHR leads heavily into employee experience and everything HR in one place. What do I mean by that? You'll get full employee profiles with self-service, applicant tracking and hiring workflows, onboarding and e-signatures, also performance management, and built-in payroll and benefits in supported regions, time tracking and PTO management, and rich analytics and easy to understand dashboards. It's more like give HR one modern home where they can do almost everything, rather than HR plus other. That is what you'll get with Zoho apps compared to BambooHR, which has everything on one dashboard. And if we were to compare them via ease of use, if your system is powerful but no one uses it, it's useless. So how do they feel day to day? When it comes on to Zoho People, it is clean but feature-dense interface. There's a lot in there. And its big strength is how much customization and automation it offers, which can mean more setup. And it is best when someone in HR or IT is willing to configure workflows, fields, and approvals. While Bamboo HR, on the other hand, is very user-friendly, often praised for being easy to learn. And also, employee self-service is simple, update info, and request time off is easy, and also check pay. And it is a great fit if you don't want to tinker too much, you just want it to feel modern and obvious. So if your workforce hates complex tools, then Bamboo HR usually wins the user experience battle, while Zoho People, on the other hand, wins in depth and flexibility, especially if you're already using the Zoho ecosystem. And if we were to talk about target audience, I would say Zoho People works best for teams that care more about workflow automation, leave and attendance tracking, and performance, and are okay using separate tools or local providers for payroll benefits where needed. While Bamboo HR, on the other hand, works best for small and mid-sized businesses that want a one-stop HR hub, and companies in regions where Bamboo HR payroll and benefits are supported. Now, hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.